Hello everyone, welcome to Biology Tutorial channel. So I am here to make biology simple and easy for you. Today we are going to do quiz on the subfields of biology and pure and applied fields of biology. ስለዚህ ዛሬ የአስረኛ ክፍልን ይሄ ሰብፊልድ ኦፍ ባዮሎጂ እና ፒውር ኤንድ አፕላይድ ፊልድ ኦፍ ባዮሎጂ በሚለው ላይ ጥያቄዎችን እንሰራለን፣ እነጋገራለን። እነዚህ ጥያቄዎች ባይዘው ለ12ኛ ክፍል ተማሪዎችም በጣም አስፈላጊዎች ናቸው። ጥያቄዎቹ ደረጃቸውን የጠበቁ ጥያቄዎች ናቸው። ስታንዳርድ የሆኑ ኮሽኖች ናቸው። ተከታተሉኝ። ጉድ choose the correct answer from the given alternatives. Question number 1. What does herpetology specifically study? A. Birds, B. Mammals, C. Reptiles, D. Insects. Herpetology specifically studies about what? Which one is the correct answer? Good. The correct answer is C. Reptiles. So herpetology deals on reptiles or study about reptiles. Ornithology study about birds. Mammalogy study about mammals. Entomology study about insects. So the correct answer is C for question number 1. Good. Question number 2. The study of the form and structure of organism is called A. Anatomy, B. Histology, C. Cytology, D. Morphology. About form and structure of organisms የሚያጠና የሳይንስ ዘርፍ የትኛው ነው? የባዮሎጂ ዘርፍ። Is that anatomy? Is that histology? Cytology or morphology? Good. The correct answer is D. Morphology. Morphology study about the form and structure of organisms. Anatomy study about structure, specifically the internal structure of organisms by desiccation. And histology study about tissue, and cytology study about cells. So the correct answer for question number 2 is D. Morphology study about the form and structure of organisms. Good. Question number 3. What's the subdiscipline of microbiology that specifically studies fungi? A. Bacteriology, B. Virology, C. Mycology, D. Pristology. Which one is the correct answer? Let's study about fungi. ስለ ፈንጋ የሚያጠና የትኛው ነው? ማሽሩም ስለ ይስ something ሊሆን ይችላል። Good. The correct answer is what? Mycology. Mycology study about fungi. Bacteria study about what? Bacteriology study about what? Bacteria. Virology study about what? Virus. Pristology study about what? Protists like amoeba, paramecium, igulina or plasmodium የሚያጠናው ደግሞ ፕሪስቶሎጂ ይባላል። ስለዚህ ስለ ፈንጋይ የሚያጠናው የባዮሎጂ ዘርፍ ማይኮሎጂ ይባላል። Good. Question number 4. What is the subject of study in paleontology? A. The interaction of organisms with the environment. B. The origin, growth, and structure of organisms of the past. C. The normal function of living organisms. D. The origin and feature of life on the universe or in the universe. So which one is the correct answer regarding paleontology? Paleontology deals about what? Good. The correct answer is B. Paleontology deals about the origin, growth, the structure of organisms of the past. ስለዚህ ስለ ቅሬታ አካሎች የሚያጠና የባዮሎጂ ዘርፍ ፓላንቶሎጂ ይባላል። ስለዚህ ትክክለኛው መልስ ቢ ነው። A. The interaction of organisms with the environment, ecology ነው። C. The normal function of living organisms, ይሄ ፊዚዮሎጂ ነው። ፓላንቶሎጂም ስለ ፊውቸር ያጠናል። የሚያጠናው ስለምንድን ነው? ስላለፈው ነገር ነው የሚያጠናው። So the answer is B. Good. Question number 5. What is the primary distinction between anatomy and morphology? Yes? ልዩነታቸው ምንድን ነው? አናቶሚ እና ሞርፎሎጂ መካከል። A. Anatomy is a study of external structures, where morphology is a study of internal structure. Good. B. Morphology studies the shape, the texture of leaves, while anatomy studies organs like stomach and heart. Good. C. Anatomy studies the physical parts which revealed by desiccation, where morphology studies the overall form and the structure. D. Morphology is the sub-branch of anatomy. So which one is the correct answer for question number 5. What's the difference between anatomy and morphology? Which one is the correct answer? Good, the correct answer is C. Anatomy studies the physical parts often revealed by what? Desiccation, where morphology studies the overall form and structure. So anatomy በብዛት የሚያጠናው ኢንተርናል ስትራክቸር ነው። ደስኬት በማድረግ ወይም በማረድ እንበለው በዛ መልኩ ነው የተለያዩ ኦርጋኖችን የሚያጠናው የተለያዩ የሰውነታችን ክፍል የሚያጠናው። ሞርፎሎጂ ግን የውጭኛ አካላትን ስትራክቸርን የሚያጠና ነው። So the correct answer is C. Question number 6. What's the fundamental difference between pure and applied biology? A. Pure biology is theoretical, where applied biology is always practical. B. Pure biology studies life in nature, where applied biology is that knowledge for human purpose. C. Pure biology includes field-like botany, where applied biology includes field-like agriculture. D. Pure biology is done in lab, where applied biology is done in the field. So what's the difference between pure biology and applied biology? What's the fundamental difference or the major difference between pure biology and applied biology? Which one is the correct answer? Students, which one is the correct answer for question number 6? Good, the correct answer is B. Pure biology study life in nature, where applied biology use that knowledge for human purpose or for producing different products. So this is the fundamental difference between pure biology and applied biology. That means pure biology it generates what? Knowledge, understanding life. And that knowledge is important for producing different products for the purpose of human being. So the correct answer for question number 6 is B. Good. Question number 7. What distinguishes genetic engineering from biotechnology? What's the difference between genetic engineering and biotechnology? A. They are the same things. B. Biotechnology uses living organisms, where genetic engineering only uses genes. Good. C. Genetic engineering is a specific technique of gene manipulation that falls under the broader field of biotechnology. Good. D. Genetic engineering is used for crops, where biotechnology is for animals. So which one is the correct answer for question number 7? How we distinguish genetic engineering from biotechnology? Students, መልሱ ማን ነው? ትክክለኛው መልስ I think በእርግጠኝነት መልሳችሁታል። So the correct answer is C. Genetic engineering is a specific technique of gene manipulation that fall under the broad field of biotechnology. ስለዚህ ጄኔቲክ ኢንጂነሪንግ በባዮቴክኖሎጂ ስር ያለ ነው። It manipulates what? Gene deleting, gene insertion, yes, ጂንን ኢንሰርት በማድረግ ወይም በማውጣት አንድ ፕሮዳክት መፍጠር ነው። So biotechnology is a broad science and this genetic engineering is under biotechnology, which is important for gene manipulation in order to produce a product for human benefit. Good. The scientific name Homo sapiens is an example from which branch of biology? Right? Scientific name Homo sapiens is an example from which branch of biology? A. Evolution. B. Genetics. C. Taxonomy. D. Anatomy. So which one is the correct answer? Scientific name Homo sapiens. There are different scientific names. Which field of biology deals on this? Is that evolution? Is that genetics? Is that taxonomy or anatomy? This is related with what? Classification or grouping of organisms. So the correct answer is what? Taxonomy. No. So the correct answer is C. Taxonomy. Taxonomy animaloችን ግሩፕ ያደርጋል በአምሳያቸው። So Homo sapiens and species ነው። So which field of biology specifically study about these scientific names of different living organisms? Taxonomy. Good. Question number 9. A zoologist study how lion hunt prey in groups is investigating A. Embryonic development. B. Genetics. C. Animal behavior or ethology. D. Morphology. Yes, zoologist that study about what? Animals. That means the lion or lions hunt prey. There is prey-predator relationship. And this study is the investigation of what? Is that embryonic development study? Is that genetics? Is that ethology? Is that morphology? ተማሪዎች አንበሳው ምን ያድናል? የተለያዩ ፕሬዎችን ያድናል። ይህንን የሚያጠና ዞሎጂስት ምን ይባላል? አኒማል ባህሪያቸውን እንዴት እንደሚያድን እንዴት እንደሚይዛቸው ያንን ባህሪያቸውን የሚያጠና የዞሎጂ ዘርፍ ምን ይባላል? አኒማል ቢሄቪየር ኦርቶሎጂ ይባላል። So the correct answer is C. Good. Question number 10. Studying how Ethiopian wolves interact with rodent population involves A. Physiology, B. Genetics, C. Ecology, D. Taxonomy. Yes, there is interaction between Ethiopian wolf with rodent population in Teni Mountain National Park or in Bali Mountain National Park or in Guasam. So what type of study is this? Is that physiology? Is that genetics, ecology or taxonomy? ተማሪዎች ትክክለኛ መልስ ማን ነው? ኢኮሎጂ። ኢኮሎጂ studies about interaction between different species and that field of biology known as ecology. ፊዚዮሎጂ ስለ ፈንክሽን ነው የሚያጠናው። ጄኔቲክስ ስለ ሄሪዲቲ ነው የሚያጠናው። ታክሶኖሚ ክላሲፊኬሽን ነው ብያቸዋለሁ። So the correct answer is ecology. Cytology in zoology investigates A. organ like the heart, B. tissue like parenchyma, C. cells like nerve cells, D. molecules like DNA. Cytology in zoology investigate about what? From this given alternative, which one is the correct answer? Is that organs? Is that tissue like parenchyma, cells like nerve cells, molecules like DNA? The correct answer is C. Cells like nerve cells. Yes. Tissue histology ነው የሚያጠናው። molecular biology ነው። So the correct answer for question number 11 is C. cells like nerve cells, blood cells ስለ ሴሎች የሚያጠና ነርቭ ሴሎች ይፈሳሉ። ስለ የቀይ ደም ሴል፣ ነጭ ደም ሴል፣ ስለ አጥንት ሴሎች የሚያጠና የባዮሎጂ ዘርፍ ይታወቃል። ሳይቶሎጂ። Good. Question number 12. Animal husbandry is an example of what? Pure biology, B. applied biology, C. microbiology, D. paleontology. Animal husbandry. Yes? ማዳቀል። ለምሳሌ የባሌ ከብቶችን ከራያ ወሎ ጋር ማዳቀል ወይንም የወሎ በጎችን ከባሌ በጎች ጋር ማዳቀል፣ የተለያዩ ዝርያዎችን ማዳቀል ምንድን ነው? ፒውር ባዮሎጂ ነው? ዛት አፕላይድ ባዮሎጂ? ዛት ማይክሮባዮሎጂ? ዛት ፓላንቶሎጂ? this is applied biology። ምክንያቱም ጥሩ ዝርያ ለማግኘት ነው። ዛት ነው አፕላይድ ባዮሎጂ። ፒውር ባዮሎጂ አይደለም፣ ኖሎጂ ለማግኘት አይደለም። ማይክሮባዮሎጂ ስለ ባክቴሪያ የሚያጠናው፣ ፓላንቶሎጂ ስለ ቅሬታ አካል የሚያጠናው። So the correct answer applied biology. So animal husbandry is an example of applied biology. Good students. So question number 13. A researcher investigates the remnant DNA of woolly mammoths found in ice would be working in the field of A. paleontology and molecular biology, B. embryology and ecology, C. anatomy and physiology, D. exobiology and taxonomy. Yes, there is remnant DNA. There is mammoth. Mammoth is an extinct mammal. mammoth የሚባለው ዝርያ የጠፋ ነው፣ በፎሲል ደረጃ ያለ ነው። ከዛ ከፎሲል ላይ ዲኤንኤ እየተጠና ማጥናት ከየትኛው ፊልድ ጋር ይመሳሰላል? የትኞች ፊልዶች ናቸው እዚህ ጋር ኢንቮልቭ የሚያደርጉት? there is DNA, there is fossil. the correct answer is what? የትኛው ይመስላችኋል? አይ ቲንክ መልሱን ያገኛችሁ ይመስለኛል በእርግጠኝነት። the correct answer is paleontology molecular biology. the correct answer is A. this paleontology study about what? fossil, the past. ስለዚህ ሞሞስ የሚባለው ማማር የሱን ፎሲል ማጥናት ፓላንቶሎጂ። ዲኤንኤ at molecular level ደግሞ የሚያጠና የባዮሎጂ ዘርፍ ይባላል molecular biology ይባላል። yes, so the correct answer is A. embryology embryonical development እና ecology interaction between species ነው ብያቸዋለሁ። አናቶሚ internal structure፣ ፊዚዮሎጂ function ነው። ኤክሶባዮሎጂ ሌላ ዓለም ላይ ለምሳሌ እንደ ሙን እንደ ማርስ ላይ ህይወት አለ ወይ ብሎ የሚያጠና ነው። ታክሶኖሚ ክላሲፊኬሽን ነው። so the correct answer is A. Question number 14. Which of the following scenarios is a direct application of forensic science? A. a doctor diagnosis a genetic disease by sequencing the patient DNA. B. an engineer design a new prosthetic limb for patient. Good. C. a detective used blood type evidence from crime seen to identify a suspect. Good. D, a farmer create a new varieties of pest-resistant crop. So which one is directly related to the application of forensic science? Forensic science deals on what? Which one is the correct answer? Good, I think you got the answer. The correct answer is A. A detective used blood type evidence from crime scene to identify suspects. ስለዚህ የሆነ ደም ሳምፕል ይወስዳል። ከዚ በኋላ በወንጀል የተጠረጠረውን ሰው የሚመረምርበት የባዮሎጂ ዘርፍ እንደመባል ይታወቃል። ፎሬንሲክ ሳይንስ በመባል ይታወቃል። ስለዚህ ለፎሬንሲክ ሳይንስ ትክክለኛው መልስ question number 14, the answer is C. Good. Question number 15, a student is observing the development of chick embryo inside an egg, noting the formation of different layers of cells. This study fall under A, histology, B, embryology, C, cytology, D, evolution. Student is observing what the development of what? Chick embryo inside an egg. So such kind of study is what? Branch of biology that deals from zygote formation until birth. So the correct answer what? B, embryology is the correct answer for this question. Histology tissue የሚያጠና ነው ብያቸዋለሁ። Embryology ስለ embryonic development, cytology ስለ cell evolution, origin of species. So the correct answer is B for question number 15. Good. Question number 16. Which of the following field is not considered a subdiscipline of zoology? A, herpetology, B, mycology, C, chytology, D, ornithology. Which field is not considered a subfield of zoology? Is that herpetology? Is that mycology, chytology, ornithology? The correct answer is what? B, mycology. It's about what? Fungi. It is not the subdiscipline of zoology, or it is not the subfield of zoology. It is mycology, the subfield of what? Microbiology. Herpetology ስለምን የሚያጠና ነው? It's about what? Reptiles and amphibians. ስለ እንቁራሪት፣ ስለ ጉርጥ፣ ስለ እባብ። Chytology ስለ አሳ የሚያጠና። Ornithology ስለ በርዶች፣ ለወፎች የሚያጠና። So the correct answer, what's the part of zoology? No, not mycology. Mycology is a branch of the subfield of what? Microbiology. Question number 17. Bioinformatics is an interdisciplinary field that combines biology with what? Engineering and medicine. Good. Chemistry and physics. C, computer science and data science. D, geology and paleontology. Which one is the correct answer? Bioinformatics that combine biology with what? The correct answer is what? Bioinformatics study what? Study about big data, about DNA, for example, and other proteins. So bioinformatics is a discipline field that combine biology what? Computer sciences and data analysis. So the correct answer is C for question number 17. Good. Question number 18. Which of the following agricultural science is mismatched with the description? Horticulture, the cultivation of garden crops, generally fruits, vegetables, and ornamental plants. B, agroforestry, an agricultural system that involves the integration of trees and shrubs with crop or livestock. C, apiculture, the science of breeding and caring for domestic animals. D, animal husbandry, the branch of agriculture concerned with care and breeding of domestic animals. So which one is the correct answer? Which one is mismatched for the description of science, specifically agricultural science? Is that horticulture or agroforestry or apiculture? Which one? Horticulture is correct. Yes, cultivation of garden plants, crops, fruits, vegetables, and ornamental plants. The correct answer is not mismatched. B, agroforestry, the agricultural system that involves the integration of trees and shrubs with crops or livestock. That is agroforestry. Is correct too. Apiculture, the science of breeding and caring for domestic animals. The animal husbandry is a branch of agriculture concerned with the care and the breeding of domestic animals. So the mismatch is what? C, apiculture. Apiculture is the science of what? B, and B helps. It is not caring for domestic animals. So the mismatched from this description is C. C is not correct. Good. Question number 19. Identify the mismatched pair among these biological disciplines. Embryology is the state of development of embryo from the fertilization of the ovule to the fetal stage. Good. B. Pathology is the state of the cause and effect of disease and injury. C. Physiology is the state of evolutionary history and relationship among individuals or groups of organisms. D. Evolution is the state of change in the heritable character of biological populations over successive generations or over successive generations. So which one is the correct answer? Which one is mismatched about the definition of different biological disciplines? From this, which one is the correct answer? Is that embryology? Embryology is correct. It's study about the development embryo from fertilization of the ovum to fetal stage. The paleontology study about cause and effect of disease is also correct. Physiology is not correct. Physiology is about what? Function. Physiology doesn't study about evolutionary history and relationship among individuals. So the mismatched choice from the given alternative is C. C is not correct. Good. Question number 20. Which of the following applied biology science is incorrectly defined? Biotechnology is the use of living system and organism to develop or make products. B. Pharmacology is the study of medical drugs obtained from plants or other natural sources. Good. C. Forestry is the science and crafting of creating, managing, using, conserving, and repairing forests. D. Molecular biology is the large-scale study of proteins. Which one is the correct answer? Which one is mismatched? Which one is incorrectly defined? Is that biotechnology? Biotechnology is correct. The use of living system and organism develop what? To develop or make products which are important for human benefit. That is correct. Pharmacology is the study of medical drugs obtained from plants or other natural sources. It's correct. Forestry is the science and craft of creating, managing, using, conserving, and repairing forests. It's correct. The incorrect definition is D, molecular biology, the large scale. It's not in the large scale, rather than what? In the small scale. So molecular biology studies small scale study of what? Proteins. It's not large scale. So the correct answer is D. The last question, question number 21. Which one of the following specialized field of zoology is mismatched? Pisciculture, the controlled breeding and rearing of fish. B. Entomology, scientific study of insects. C. Sericulture, the cultivation of silkworm to produce silk. D. Poultry, the study of remains of ancient life. Which one is the correct answer? Which one is mismatched? Pisciculture is correct. The controlled breeding and rearing of fish is what? Pisciculture is correct. This one is correct. Entomology is the scientific study of insects. Correct. Sericulture, cultivation of silkworm to produce silk. Correct. Poultry, the study of remains of ancient life. No, poultry is about what? Domestic birds, like chicken. So the correct answer that is mismatched is D. So thank you for watching. ስለዚህ የሚጠቅም ትምህርቶችን ተምራችኋል፣ የሚጠቅም ጥያቄዎችን ጠይቂያችኋለሁ ብዬ አስባለሁ። እነዚህን ጥያቄዎች አሁንም እንደገና ደገማችሁ ቪዲዮውን አዳምጡት። በጣም የሚጠቅሟችሁ ጥያቄዎች ናቸው። ከዚህ ውጭ ጥያቄዎቹ ሊወጡ አይችሉም። በዚህ ተመጣጠነ። ስለዚህ ፕሊዝ ላይክ ሼር ኤንድ ሰብስክራይብ ዚስ video for more biology tutorials. Thank you for watching.